might be asking yourself, when should I retire? Should I retire early or defer it? Deciding when to retire may not be one decision, but a series of decisions and calculations. For example, you'll need to estimate not only your anticipated expenses, but also what sources of retirement income you'll have and how long you'll need your retirement savings to last. You'll need to take into account your life expectancy and health, as well as when you want to start receiving Social Security or pension benefits. You'll also want to consider when you'll start to tap your retirement savings. Each of these factors may affect the others as part of an overall retirement income plan. Contact us today to get help to determine the best time for you to retire.